Hey Queens, I wanted to come on here real quick just to show you what Coach bag I got off of Amazon for the Black Friday sale. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we get into the unboxing, I wanted to show you a piece that was sent to me by a company called Millennia Jewelry. This is the Infinity Birth Flower Necklace with Birthstone. Now, I'm a December baby, so I picked the Tanzanite, which is a gorgeous blue color. But this piece is so nice and it comes beautifully wrapped. There's a blank gift card with a matching envelope if you wanted to purchase this piece for someone else. It also has a nice gift bag, super cute, like I said, ready to gift or ready for you if you just wanted to treat yourself. So I wanted to show you what it looks like on, just so you can have an idea of scale. So this is what it looks like on my neck. Now this piece is made of sterling silver and it's plated with gold. It's only $49.99 and the link will be in the description and in the comments just in case you're interested. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But this is not going to be long. I just want to come on here real quick and show y'all what I picked up. This is a bag that I have not really spoken on my channel, but it's one that I've been looking at for probably about 6 months, and I've seen it on the Coach website, and I don't know anyone who has it. I haven't really seen any unboxings, but I've always been curious about this bag. It could be considered a novelty piece depending on who you ask, and it is, but it's also one that I think is still suitable for everyday wear. It's not one of those bags that I don't think I would get cost per wear out of. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. It did come in a box, as you can see from the thumbnail, so that was a good thing because the last bag I got from Amazon did not come in a box, and fortunately it still arrived in perfect condition. But they really be taking chances with these packages when they don't put them in boxes, especially when they are sending out handbags, you know, like especially a bag with structure, and this one does have structure, should definitely be in a box. So I'm glad that Amazon did what they needed to do. And it also had paper inside of the box to protect it so it doesn't move around so much. So it's factory wrapped, and if I show you the wrapping, then you're gonna already know what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show it to you. And this is the glove tan leather heart bag, and I picked out the color honeycomb. So y'all, I've been looking at this bag, like I said, for a few months, and I've always been curious about it because I really like the heart-shaped bags. Y'all know I got another one from the Coach outlet last year, but this one right here, to me, is much nicer. So let me get this wrapping off so that I can show it to you. Ooh, and this leather feels so good. Yeah, this bag isn't going back. I'm definitely keeping it, so you can get all of this off. Okay, so here it is without all of the wrapping on it, so y'all can get a good look at it. This, like I said, this color is honeycomb. I love how they have the Coach in multicolors on the hang tag. I think that is super cute. See if the camera will focus on that so y'all can see it. I'll give you a 360. So let's get on the inside of this bag. It has one zipper and with the leather zipper pull. This bag does not really have hardware on it with the exception of the D-rings for the detachable shoulder strap. So the minimal hardware that is on here is gold. And I thought I was done, but I forgot about all the stuffing that they put on the inside of these bags. Like, this bag is pretty structured. I don't think I feel the need to like store it stuff. I think at least not the stuff that's Coach had it. So the dust bag is in here. Oh yeah, guys, this is super cute. This is super nice. So the interior is also leather, and you'll get to see it in just a second. So the interior is leather as well, and then it also has the same multicolored Coach stamp on the Coach Creed or Story patch as it does on the hang tag. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that deep inside of the bag, but it's there. But yeah, this entire bag is leather. There are no compartments in this tiny bag, of course, but there is a card slot on the front wall, if you can see that. And then the detachable shoulder strap has It has 7 adjustments. So this is basically a crossbody. I guess you may could use it as like a shoulder. I don't know how short this strap would go though. Let me see. Yeah, this strap wouldn't go too short. I guess you could always put another strap on here if you wanted to do it as a short shoulder, but this would be a long shoulder. Like the shortest setting makes it a long shoulder. There is a strap holder on the bottom. Let me just slide that up. All right, so like the shortest setting would make this a long shoulder on most people, but you could probably just take you could put any strap on here if you wanted to. You could put a chain strap or whatever you wanted to put on here if you wanted to wear this as a shorter shoulder bag. But this is what she looks like, y'all. The back of the hang tag says, oh, see, now this is what I didn't know. So this is part of the Coach Pride collection. I was unaware of that. I guess the rainbow should have tipped me off, but whatever. It was cute. That's why I got it. But the back of the hang tag is stamped Coach Pride. So let me see if the front says Pride on it. No, so the front just says Coach Leatherwear, but it does have, like I said, you can see the rainbow Coach stamp on there. But yeah, this is part of the Pride collection, and this bag comes in a bunch of colors. They're all on sale, but they're not all the exact same price. So let me pull up Amazon real quick so I can show y'all what they have. Okay, so the color that I got, honeycomb, is on sale right now for $156.61. They also have evergreen. That's really pretty. It's $209.50. Then they have washed orange, which is $157.50. Carmine, which is a deep gorgeous red, probably very similar to the red hero that you see behind me. And then they have true blue. So the carmine is $175 and the true blue is $166.18. So guys, I'm filming this 2 days before you will actually see it. So the prices that I'm telling you are the prices right now. That could change. So I'm going to have the links in the description just in case you wanted to check it out for yourself. But just be aware that, again, y'all know, especially with these sale prices, things could change from one day to the next. Now, I'll say that I ordered this bag like 2 or 3 days ago, and it was this price when I ordered it. So they may hold on to this price for a minute, but just wanted to let y'all know. So in case you're wondering like how big this bag or how small the bag is, I'm going to go ahead and see if they have the dimensions on here. So just 1 second. Okay, but it doesn't say width. So 7.95 by 1.97 by 7.01 inches. So let's see here. So it's probably 7 and 7, and then the smaller is the depth. Okay, yeah, so it's almost 2 inches deep, and then it's like 7 inches, almost 8 inches tall, and then 7 inches wide. So this is a decent size bag. I mean, for the size, I mean, you could probably still fit a regular phone in here. I'm going to take my case off. I didn't even think about doing this before filming, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my case off my phone and see if this will fit. So here's my phone case, and let's just put it in here. So it does fit. It fits sideways. Let me see if it will fit vertically. I think it's too long to fit vertically. Yeah, it's too long to fit vertically, but it definitely fits sideways in here with no problem and with plenty of room to spare. You don't even really have to finagle it to get it in here. I mean, literally it fits right in there sideways. So you can see it resting on that back wall, and there's still plenty of room. So yeah, I have the iPhone 15. So if you have a regular size iPhone, this will fit your phone with no problem. So this may be, even though it's not the same silhouette and this is more structured, if you like the Joni, but don't want to get the 22 size, but you want something small, handheld, but still want it to fit your phone, you might want to take a look at this one. But yeah, this is all I have for you guys today. I just want to come on here and show you what I grabbed. Like I said, I don't think I mentioned this bag at all on my channel, but it is one that I have been watching on the Coach website. And so once I saw that it was available on Amazon for sale, and this one being like $156, I went on ahead and grabbed it. So let me know what you think down below. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, if you're gonna get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.